Hi, welcome to Chapter 2, Lesson 2 of Basic Calculus. So today we are going to learn the derivative of trigonometric functions. So our goal for today is to compute the derivative of trigonometric functions. So here are the derivatives of the 6 trigonometric functions. So the derivative of sine x is cosine x. The derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. The derivative of tangent x is secant squared x. The derivative of cotangent x is negative cosecant squared x. The derivative of secant x is secant x tangent x. And the derivative of cosecant x is negative cosecant x cotangent x. Now, given the derivative of these trigonometric functions, let us have some examples. So here above, we have the various derivatives of our given functions. Okay, so we're going to determine the f prime or the derivative of the following functions. So first example, we will get the derivative of f of x equals sine x plus cosine x. Now take note, our differentiation rules, basic differentiation rules still apply. Okay, so since this is plus, we will be using the sum rule. Okay, so we get the derivative of each of the functions here. So the derivative of sine x, okay, is cosine x plus the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. Then we simplify. Cosine x plus negative sine x will be f prime of x equals cosine x minus sine x. And that is the derivative of f of x equals sine x plus cosine x. Next example, we're going to find the derivative of f of x equals tangent x minus secant x. Again, we simply have to get the derivative of each of the functions in the terms given. Okay, so to get the derivative, take note the derivative of tangent x is secant squared x. So we have here secant squared x minus the derivative of secant x is secant x tangent x. So we have here minus secant x tangent x. Now take note, secant squared x minus secant x tangent x is already the derivative. Or we could express it as secant x times secant x minus tangent x by taking out secant x as the common factor. Next, we will get the derivative of f of x equals 2 cotangent x. Again, we can still use the constant multiple rule. So, the derivative is 2 times the derivative of cotangent x. So the derivative of cotangent x is negative cosecant squared x. So we substitute cotangent x by negative cosecant squared x. Okay, so 2 times negative cosecant squared x will be negative 2 cosecant squared x. So negative 2 cosecant squared x is f prime of f of x equals 2 cotangent x. And the last example, we have f of x equals negative cosine x plus cosecant x. So the derivative here, again, the negative sign here means or is simply just saying that we are multiplying cosine x by negative 1. So we take out the negative sign or negative 1. Okay, and we get the derivative of cosine x. So the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. So that's negative 1 times negative sine x plus cosecant x. So we get the derivative of cosecant x. That is negative cosecant x cotangent x. So we have here negative cosecant x cotangent x. So negative times negative is positive. Positive times negative is negative. So we simplify this. This will be negative 1 times negative sine x. That's sine x plus negative cosine x negative cosecant x cotangent x. That's minus cosecant x cotangent x. So the derivative of negative cosine x plus cosecant x is sine x minus cosecant x cotangent x. Okay, so practice what you have learned today by answering some exercises. See you in the next lesson. Bye!